Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, today we have Stickii. Do you know what Stickii is? It is a sticker subscription and it comes every month. It says enjoy your cute pack, and we are going to find out what's inside my Stickii package. Now guys, this is really late. They had some type of shipping issue and I think their stuff got destroyed somehow during shipping, and they had to reprint everything and redistribute to everyone. So this is the June Stickii, and there will be a July Stickii coming out here real soon. So we'll be having kind of like back-to-back videos when that one comes out, but I do want to specify that this is for June. Let's look in here and see what we got. Now Stickii runs $12 a month, but if you like what you see and you would like to join Stickii, I have a $5 off link in my description, and if you use that link, I will get $5 off too, which will go back into my channel and help it out, and I would very much like to thank you if you use that link. Now, and who wouldn't want to save $5? That makes the shipment $8, because guess how much shipping is? $1. So you would get $5 off of 12, which would be $7, and $1 to ship, and you could get your first package of stickers, which would be the July stickers, not the ones I'm going to show today, but it would be your first set for $7. Now, the first item that I am seeing, they have the stickers inside this package. This is a note that says, "Thank you so much for your unbelievable patience and understanding with this shipping delay. We are sending these 2 extra free sheets as an apology and a token of our gratitude. With so much love and extra stickers, the Stickii team." So yay, I get extra stickers. And you know, they didn't have to do that, but it was very sweet. And not only did they do it, but they left a little note to explain why you have these. So let's see what the extras were. Oh, aren't these cute? Oh, that is perfect for summertime, isn't it? Oh, and look at this. It's little animals. It looks like kitties and pandas, foxes. Oh my goodness, that is so adorable. And little frogs. Oh, I love those stickers. That is so, so nice. Now, these are 2 extra that are bonus. Inside here is our actual package. And as you can see, you get a sleeve. You do get a sleeve each month, and you can get a binder, and I'll show that to you here in just a minute if you want to order one from the Stickii website. But this is going to be all about, looks like camping. And we got the little kitty cat in there sleeping. We've got the moon and the stars. And it says, Camping Cuties is what it says on there. And this month we have us a sticker book. And you can use this for notepads, and or you can add stickers on there as well. It is versatile. I wanted to make sure it was a notepad because sometimes they do individual little cards. But this month we have this cute little notepad with the mushrooms on there. Isn't that very cute? And it just fits right down in there so you can keep everything nice and tidy. On the back side we have our stickers for the month, and we can just pull that out. We always get a bonus of either a letter or a card or some other. This month we are getting mushroom postcards. Aren't those cute? And you could use those in journaling or in your little, I can't think of what y'all call those books, the scrapbooks. You could use these in scrapbooks, or obviously you could mail them out to a friend or family member. But that is so cute, and they're made of good stock quality. Very colorful. Very colorful. Love that. And we have us some washi tape. It's just a small little band of washi tape with our little theme on there. Looks like kitties and camping and what have you, which would be really cute in a journal or a scrapbook. And we have stickers. So here we go. Oh, look how shiny they are. They're so cute. Oh, they're roasting marshmallows and making s'mores. Oh, my kids used to love to do that when you went camping. Look at these colorful stickers. Oh my goodness, it's like a starry night. and they're out under the mushrooms and the plants. I guess that's supposed to be like a little bug or something that's living out there. And then we have these. Aren't those cute? We got the squirrels, the wildlife out camping. Got them a little hammock made up on that one. That's really cute. So they really come up with some nice designs. And in the corner there you can see it's Macy. I don't know if that's exactly how you pronounce it, but that would be the designer of these particular stickers. And these are just made by this particular one, Albide. And then this one has their name on there as well. I don't know if you recognize any of those designers and stickers, but if you like their brands, there's another one, then you can see what kind of quality of artists that they have for designing these. Aren't those cute? They're just so rugged and outside, and with the camping, look at that teepee. Look at that mushroom on the head, or I don't know for sure what that is, a clump of mud on that one. Kitty, I'm not sure. Got us a bee there, all kinds of things, and that snake going through the tunnel of the wood. That's funny, they do lots of detail. And then it looks like we got some type of stickers that we could use for to and from. You could use these in your journaling and or your scrapbooking, what have you. You could use that. And maybe even put a special note on something if you want to write it on there and have it detailed out with a little camping. And if you've got a journal going where you need camping stickers, these would have been perfect. Now, I will tell you, you can go on their site lots of times and buy past stickers if there's something that you really like. But out of these stickers, my goodness, they're so nice. What is your favorite? Do you have a favorite of any of these? I like them all, and I don't know what my favorite is. I think I like the one that had like the hammock. That was this one on there, and I like this one with the teepee on there and with the mud on the head there. I think that's so cute. So you let me know what you find to be very cute. Oh, and let's not forget the washi tape. That was very cute, and our beautiful postcards that we got, and my little bonus stickers because they were late. And I don't know all the details, but I will tell you all of these will fit right back in here in my little sleeve, and you can buy these sleeves on their site as well. But this is my sticker book from Stickii, and I got pink. They have binders in blue and gold, I think, and pink, and I got pink. And as you can see, it's clear, so you can see on both sides. And yeah, I've got some stickers from my FabFitFun journal back there in the back just to keep them for safekeeping. And I like that because in this you've got a sleeve here where you can put other stickers, whatever you want in there actually. But I can add this to my book, and I just put this in here. And if you'll recall, last month we had the bees, so I have my bees right there. But this holds a lot. I've been collecting these now for, let's see how many months, for 8 months. And as you can see, I still have lots of room left that I can put stickers in this one binder. So it comes in real handy. This binder runs around $16. I think it's $20 shipped, I think. I don't know, and they could have changed the prices since I bought mine. But I really like it. I like that I can see through it. But guys, that is my Stickii for this month. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that could be currently going on. Also, look in my description for that $5 off coupon where you can get your first Stickii package if you decide to subscribe for $7 using that $5 off link. But as for Stickii, that's all I have today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.